Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Whistler's sword in Gothic 1 Remake. First things first, make your way towards the old camp. If you start at the small camp where you meet Drax, just look behind you and you'll immediately see the old camp. Once you reach the old camp entrance, make your way past these guards, then turn right. Keep following this linear path on the right, and eventually you'll see this shed with an NPC named Whistler sitting in front of it. Talk to him and accept his quest, where he will ask you to buy his sword from a person named Fisk. Now keep going down the same path and you'll see Fisk sitting nearby on the left. You can ask about the sword, but don't go through the other dialogue options just yet. Exit the conversation, then go back and interact with Whistler. He will give you additional ore to cover Fisk's price increase. Now go back to Fisk, and you can finally buy Whistler's sword. This sword deals 20 damage and only requires 17 strength to equip. You can keep it for now and use it as a weapon once we get to 17 strength soon. But keep in mind that you need to return it to Whistler within 24 in-game hours, or he will become aggressive toward you. And that's how to get the Whistler's sword in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.